today I'm going to be showing you how I do this base makeup right here that I'm wearing right now to be heat proof and transfer proof. This makeup lasted me hours in the sun on an 83 degree day with high humidity. It didn't melt, it got a little glistening, but it didn't get greasy, and I was massively impressed. So I am going to show you the products I used, the techniques I used, and all in this video today. But first, if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe. Now, on to the video. Before we get on to my video, this is like my final look of the day, and I will have all the makeup that I used to create this look in the description below. Now on to the video. Okay, so I've already applied this Sunburn Spf 30 tinted sunscreen all over my face, and I've let that set for 3 to 5 minutes. The primer I'm going to be using is the Revlon Prime Plus Mattifying and Pore Reducing. I'm going to use one pump. And I'm going to apply this simply to mostly where I get oily in the center of my face. Okay, now I'm going to be using my Revlon Infallible 24-hour foundation. I use one pump, not that much, and I'm going to be applying it with a paddle brush and really brushing it on. And this patting motion removes streaks. It really makes it adhere to your skin. Okay, now I'm going to apply my concealer everywhere I have darkness that I want to hide. So under eyes and chin, some spots on my rest of my face. Dampen a sponge with a Revlon setting spray and blend all my concealer out. This is a technique I've been using since this has been made, mostly because I've never wanted to spray this in the X Fashion across my face because that's how you breathe it in. So now that my sponge is damp, I'm going to blend out the outer sections of my face first. And the reason why I do it this way is to tap this setting spray into my foundation instead of spraying it in, like I said, X Fashion on my face. So I think it's better, healthier to do it this way. And I always do my under eyes last, so that I have dark circles and it has a chance to really cover them, and then I spray a little more on this for on my under eye area. So off camera, I applied my liquid blush, and I have this puff preloaded with arrowroot powder, and now I'm going to set my face with this. That is how I apply my face makeup to heat proof it for heat and humidity. I hope this helps you because it's something that helps me wear makeup in the hot and humid spring and summer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you don't, give it a thumbs down and tell me how I can improve. I'm Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.